I'm Rahul Jain from Paragon AutoTech. We are into molding of rubber and plastic components for automotive use. This year is a particularly tough year for businesses related to automotives. But I'm happy to say that we have, for the first 6 months, achieved a growth of 10% for this year. And this has happened mainly because I joined Road Circle in May. The problem facing our business was lack of team effort and lack of goal setting and accountability. Rakesh Sharma ji, who's our coach, has helped me and is helping me overcome this problem. And slowly, the culture of accountability, teamwork, as well as growth focus through setting our goals is percolating in my company. As this culture takes root, I see a very bright future ahead for me. My journey has just begun.